So again, on the HPL part, the 5 level of the leadership is very, very important. Why it is important? The first is when the person enters, right? People follow because you are on this particular position. So that is the way when any person comes, they will follow. Yes, you are the boss, you are the senior person, you are the leader, they will follow it. Second one is permission. People follow because they want to, because people will follow you beyond your stated lines of authority. That is the second level of the leadership is there. The third leader is production part. People will like you what you are doing it because you have done the things for the organization. So people will go through your background. Oh my God, this gentleman, this lady has done so much for the organization. So you are a productive person. So this is the third level of the leadership people will follow. The fourth leadership is that people development. They will also follow that, yes, you are always developing the people. So suppose I will work under you, or I will be a peer group of yours, or I will getting mentored by you, I will be developed and I will be able to attain the position which I am aspiring to attain it. So you are a person who always inspire to aspire. So people will have that fourth level of the leadership which they are going to respect you. And once you are over, then people will resonate with you completely. And then it will be a personhood leadership. People follow because who you are, what you represent. Few people make this level and only others can put you there. It takes years of working. So if you are consistent worker means performer, leader, building the people, building the team, right? Then people will become a personhood and they will always remember that, yes, this is the gentleman or this is the lady who had created lot many enormous of the difference. Why we remember Indra Nui? Why we remember so many other people? Why we remember Ratan Tata Sahab? Because they are the people who have created the leaders. And there are so many people in our industry. There are the top people are there. But if you see the media level of the people in our industry, there are so many people you will find that yes, they are the people are there where people they respect due to their leadership, the 5 levels of the leadership. So future leadership capabilities, the way forward, I just want to put in the 6 point, thinking global, thinking global. Now we should not be on the small thinker because now globe is in our fingertips. Today, you can sit here, you can ask what is happening in US, you can ask what is happening in Australia. So it is not that today you have to work only in our city or only in our nation. You can think that how fast you can grow. You have to take a place in the global requirement. And that is the reason today in all the top industries of the world, we Indians are ruling. We Indians are ruling because our Indians, either it is Mr. Pichai or anybody else, right? We all have been designated, given the position that yes, our thinking was very broad, and that's the reason we are ruling in the entire world. And that's why we always say Indians are the best in the entire world. So the global thinking, and we have to act accordingly. Cross culture diversity is very important. We have to make the things. Third important thing is I always say technology is the God, right? 20 years, 30 years, 40 years back, we used to see Hindi movies or the regional language movies that some God is coming, he's sitting on this and is just coming. Today it is going to, it is there. Naradji says something like that. Now it is with the mobile we are able to say this thing. I'm talking about the Hindu mythology. So everything is here only. Technology is God. Earlier we used to say that what is going to happen in the thing. Today we say that data has gone to the cloud. Again, technology is a God. Our data has been stored in the cloud, right? So see what a beautiful things are there. Building alliances and partnerships is way of life. You have to have partnership, alliances building. Today, why I met Mr. Saurabh met me because networking. Networking is worth working. Let me add, I've not added it, but networking is worth working, I'm telling you. If you have the good networking, right, you can make a heaven of a difference. Write it down and believe you me, we are going to get lot of opportunity because you are going to have networking with the same minded people where opportunities are there. With the networking, you can knock the door and you can enter it and you can explore it. And learning agility. Learning agility, when I say learning is never end. Till the time, till the last breath is there, learning always happens. Because every 3 years the world is changing. Every 5 years new things are coming up. Today we are today even our Prime Minister is what he is talking. One nation, one syllabus. See, it was not there. One nation, one ration card. So when it is happening in India, then how many things is happening in the globe? So there's no difference now. What is happening in US today, it is happening in India. Another point I'm going to tell. Earlier for the vaccine, it used to take 10 years of time. A polio vaccine took 12 years, 6 months to get it. But in India, in 6 months of time, we are able to produce the vaccine. One of the finest example, best example, we are at par with any of the world organization. So this is a learning agility is very important. So these are the 6 points are there, which I mentioned. Seventh, I'm just telling it, networking is net worth working. So please explore it. And I'm sure we are going to, I got the result. Let me tell you, I personally got the result. And I was able to meet many people like Mr. Saurav or so many other people on this particular platform where I'm able to explore my capability, capacity, and I'm able to learn that things completely.